you guys? Marty Schwartz here, guitarjams.com. Gonna bring you a power chord lesson. It's all power chords, it's a little progression. And it's gonna be fun. You know, the thing to keep in mind with power chords is, like, for instance, like the first power chord's an A power chord. You know, I've got this one, but you can also play A power chord right there as well, or even right here. So some of them might not be the exact one that you saw in, you know, in some other video, but it's all the right chords. So just keep that in mind. You know, it's good to, you know, be able to know a little bit about the guitar and not just where to put your fingers. Okay, so we're going to zoom in. I'm going to show you this progression. It's going to be fun. I also have bonus lessons and ebooks and all that kind of stuff. You can always click the link below this box here. You see a little link down there. And check it out. I appreciate it. But let's go to this free lesson right now. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to turn the distortion off just so we can kind of hear these chords. Alright, the first two chords, it's an A power chord, or A5, to a C sharp 5. You don't have to worry about any of that fancy stuff if you don't know about it, but basically it's an A power chord. So I got the 5th fret right here, 7th fret, 7th fret. And that's like a super power chord. You could just play the 2-finger one, or you could add your pinky, which is just another A note, just like that. Okay, the next one is that C sharp, and it's going to go all the way up to the 9th fret root, and that's a C sharp note, so we have a C sharp 5 chord. Next, we're going to go to an F sharp power chord, which is the 2nd fret. And I'm going by the original recording. I saw some live versions, they play it a half step off. So it's a little weird. I'm just going with the authentic original recording. So we've got A to the 9th fret, to the 2nd fret, to the 7th fret, which is a B. Now just keep in mind, I could play an A power chord here, and I could play a C sharp on the 4th fret of the A, and I could play the B next door, so, you know. Same thing, but if you're a beginner, it's going to be real easy to just follow the power chords all on, you know, as much as you can just on this top string here. So we've got 5, 5, 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, 7, 7, 7, and the rhythm, so I'm kind of going like down, down, up for the first chord, and then I'm sliding, yeah, it's like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now on the original recording, it sounds like something's going on in drop D for the low next section, but you know, we're not going to change tuning in the middle of it. It could be a studio thing. The bass is definitely hitting really low E and D notes as well. But anyway, it's going to go like this. It's an E, so you could do all the way up to the double dots, the 12th fret, or it's also right here on the 7th fret of the A string. But so we'll keep it on here. We're going to go down a whole step. So it's like, just like that. So it does that all the way up here. Whole step, ba na 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 na. Then from there, it only goes up to that 10th fret, or that D, which you could also play a D power chord to a B. Same thing. So we'll keep it all on this top string here, but I just want to point that out. The more you know about the neck and being able to locate your roots, the better musician you're going to be, the quicker you're going to get good at guitar. Because when your brain's working, you improve faster than just mimicking or putting your hand down on a number, okay? And we want to make music, and music is not numbers, but we use it to help learn. So we've got 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 D D D D D D D B B B B. And then there's one more part, and it's A, G, F sharp. 5, 3, 2. Oops. There's a little breaky break, which just kind of pedals on this F sharp power chord here. You know, with some weird sound effects in there. I didn't really work it out. But we want to be able to, you know, have fun playing power chords. And this is a great example, great band, obviously, that would use something like this. You know, and you can further your rockitude. Alright, there it is, rock and power chord progression. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you in another lesson real soon. Thank you for the support. See you later.